When the user first opens the app, the first page that they see is the login page. To register, they must press sign up, and compared to beta, we did not make many changes to the UI UX. However, we did implement username and password constraints to strengthen security. After the user registers, they are brought to the survey where they answer questions so that the app can better know their style preferences. The algorithm will use this information to tailor the outfit generation, which will be explained later on. After the survey, the user will be routed back to the home screen. For simplicity's sake, however, we will log out and log in to an account that has been populated with items for easier generation. After logging in, they land on our home page, which has 3 main widgets. One widget allows them to see what the weather is like today to help them with their outfit planning. Another is to show them items that have not been worn as much, which helps remind users of items they may not have been aware of and hopes to keep their outfit generation more versatile. Finally, we have the last widget, which fetches at most 3 random outfits from a user's closet and hopes to once again inspire and remind them of saved outfits. Additionally, we allow users to edit their settings in the profile page. This is what the edit profile looks like, and we allow them to edit their profile picture, name, and username. Here, in the update password page, we allow them to change their current password to a new one, specifically not their current password. And here, we allow them to edit their preference survey that they filled out when they first registered. Now, looking at the closet tab, we can see that it's separated by items and outfits, and that we have a filter system based on each category, and an ability to search an item based on certain properties, which utilizes OpenMateo API. Here's the main part of our app, which is a suggestion hub. Clicking on the rightmost tab in the navbar, you'll see that there are 2 toggles, one for regular outfits and one for trips. If you toggle the regular outfits, recommendations will result in multiple suggested outfits using your survey answers. And for each outfit card, you can either save, edit, or reject the recommendation by simply clicking the card. Alongside the preview of items, we have a number that corresponds to how close that recommended outfit is to your preferences that you set in the survey. Likewise, this is the prompt for trip outfit. So we have occasion, then we have location, which can either be manually entered, or we also have the live location option, the prompt for expected weather, and a trip date range to help with how many outfits the algorithm needs to generate. We also have user set the amount of outfits they want per date to once again help with the generation of outfits. Unlike the regular outfit recommendations results, we only have the exact number of outfits the user wants per date. And here in the Outfits tab, we see the outfits that have been saved by the user, according to whether they are a regular outfit or a trip outfit, which we also allow the user to see the item details. And now we have a sharing functionality, which will be explained later on, and we can also delete outfits, as you can see here, as well as the ability to search via date. Over in the Closet Items tab, we can also add items, and you can either take a picture, get it from your library, or have no picture at all. And the user goes through each page to specify the item property, and ends up in a review page where they can edit their response or simply submit. It may take a while for the images to be fetched, but here we can also view the item details as well as delete. And here is a time lapse of adding an item with no image. And here we will edit the item, and then when we go back, we can see that the item details has been updated. Now this first video shows the sharing functionality for regular outfits, where the user can click the share button and it prompts them to different sharing options. For this particular video, we chose to copy the link and paste it into a different browser. It then generates a page where it shows when the outfit was created and its items. The next video shows the same functionality, just for trip outfits. And that concludes our recorded live demo. Thank you.